Residential sales comparison and income approaches, page 85. For example, the subject of a residential appraisal is a two-story dwelling backing to a golf course in the Guilford Green subdivision. The appraiser has located one similar comparable sale in the same subdivision. It is located across the street from the subject, but did not share the subject's golf course view. None of the other properties on the golf course in the subject's subdivision have transacted. The appraiser has, however, located a very similar subdivision across town, Langford Links, that has recent sales of a similar property on a golf course and one that is similar but not located on the golf course. The appraiser plans to use the property across the street as well as the two properties in the other subdivision as comparable sales in his sales comparison analysis. There are two locational components that require analysis. Number one, determine locational differences between the two subdivisions. 2. Identify the contributory value of the golf course view. Let's take a look at the data the appraiser has gathered. Here's your sale price for comparable number 1. This one is in the subject subdivision. This one sold for $392,000. It's located in Guilford Greens, and the view is residential. Comp 2 is a comparable subdivision. It sold for $398,000. That's in Langford Links, and that's a residential view. Comp 3 is in the same comparable subdivision. That one sold for $432,000. The location was Langford Links, and this one had a view of a golf course. Now, to determine a location adjustment, Comp 1 and Comp 2 can be compared. So you take the $392,000 of Comp 1 versus the $398,000, which was Comp 2. The location adjustment is $6,000. That's the difference between Guilford Greens location and Langford Links. So that gives you your $6,000 location adjustment. Now, comparing number 2 to number 3 demonstrates the difference between a residential view and a golf course view. Comp 2's $398,000 sale price versus Comp 3's $432,000 sale price. That gives you a view adjustment of $34,000. In some cases, especially when an adjustment is being derived from or being applied to data of a different price point, such as a $1 million property, a percentage adjustment might be more appropriate. For instance, to find the percentage adjustment for a view, the appraiser would divide the amount of the derived adjustment, $34,000, that's the view, by what it is superior to, $398,000. To conclude on a positive percentage adjustment of 8.54%, you take the view adjustment that you derived before, that $34,000, then you divide it by the bigger sale price of Comp 2, the $398,000. That's going to give you your percentage adjustment for, let's say, a significant $1 million property. Or if the adjustment is being applied downwardly, the appraiser would divide the $34,000 by what it is inferior to. For instance, the $432,000 Comp 3 sale, to reveal a negative adjustment of 7.87%. $34,000 divided by the bigger sale price of $432,000.